Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my fourth lesson of D3, chapter number 5, exercise 5C, that is about simple and compound interest. In this lesson, I will solve question number 1, basic level. The question is about the simple interest. In this lesson, I will discuss question number 1, E part. Let me read and confirm the data from the book. In E part, the first given information is that time is given 2 years and the simple interest is given, that is $360, and amount is given, that is $3,960, and the unknowns of the question are the principal amount and the interest rate. Now, moving to the solution of the question, we can see that in this question we are given with amount. Amount is the sum of the principal plus interest, and the principal is not given. So first of all, we have to use the formula of amount and we have to find the principal amount. So because amount equals to principal plus interest, now what I have to do, instead of amount I have to replace 3960 equals to principal, which is unknown, and interest is, amount of interest is 360. So shift this 360 to other side and the equation will take the form 3960 minus 360, which is equal to P. Now take away 360 from 3960 minus 360 and it will give me 3600. So the principal amount is $3600. So P equals to $3600. I hope you are clear about this. And now coming to the second unknown of the question, and that is R, the interest rate. What we have to do now, we have the principal with us, we have the time with us, and we have amount of interest with us. So for the second unknown, I have to use the formula that I equals to PRT upon 100. And now instead of I have to replace 360 and the principal is 3600. Principal amount is 3600, and then rate of the question is unknown and the time is 2 years given in the question upon 100. Now what I have to do, I have to bring this 100 to other side. 360 multiplied by 100 equals to 3600 multiplied by 2 multiplied by R. Now in order to get value of R, I have to shift 3600 multiplied by 2 to other side and the equation will take the form 360 multiplied by 100 upon 3600 multiplied by 2, which is equal to R. And now what we can do is that we can remove these two zeros with these two zeros, and I will left now 2 in the denominator, 2 ones are, and 2 18s are 36 and 0 180. And now what we can do is that 36 or 18, 2 times is 36 and 18 10 times is 180, and 2 ones are and 2 fives are, so the rate is 5%. So the rate for this question is 5%. I hope you are clear about this question and you are learning how to make the calculation easy for the paper 1 purpose where the calculators are not allowed. And let's move to the next part of the question. And in the next part, the principal amount which is given to us is $1,800, and then the next information is time, which is 18 months, and the simple interest is given 189. We're not given with interest rate and amount of this question. Okay, first of all, in order to get rate, what we have to do, we have to use the formula that I equals to PRT upon 100. Now we can see that amount of interest is given in the question. But first, let's talk about the time which is given in the question. Time is 18 months. Time is 18 months. I have to think that 18 months will be equal to how many years? It can be written as 12 months plus 6 months. Okay, and 12 months is equal to 1 year, and 6 months will be equal to plus 6 by 12 years, or it will be equal to 6 ones are and 6 twos are 1 whole 1 by 2 years. So it's really important to learn and understand the conversion of the time. When the time is given in months, how to convert that time into year. Okay, now what I have to do, instead of the principal, instead of the interest, I have to replace 189 equals to, principal is 1800 multiplied by rate, which is given in the question, that is unknown. So I will be writing it as it is, and time is 1 whole 1 by 2, or 1 whole 1 by 2 can be written as 3 by 2. So I can write it 3 by 2 multiplied by 100. Now in order to get value of R, what I will be doing, I will be shifting this 102 to other side, and equation will take the form 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 189 equals to 3 multiplied by 1800 and multiplied by R. And now shift this 3 multiplied by 1800 to other side, and the equation will take the form 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 189 upon 3 multiplied by 1800 equals to rate. And now what we can do, we can see that these two zeros can go, and then 2 ones are and 2 nines are. Again, 9 twos are 18, 9 ones are and 9 twos are and 9 ones are. And then for 21 and 3, table of 3 is suitable, 3 ones are and 3 sevens are. And the rate that I'm getting for this question is 7 equals to R, or R equals to 7% for this question. Very easy questions. Only the thing that you have to keep in mind is that you have to learn the basic formula and you have to replace the values, and after that you should have the command on basic algebra and the method of solving the simple linear equation. Coming to the second part, second unknown of the question, that is amount. Amount is missing here. So formula for the amount is amount equals to principal plus interest, and the principal amount which is given in the question is 1800 plus 189. And now when I'm adding 1800 to 189, my answer comes 189 plus 189. This is 1989, 989, yes, 1989. So the amount of this question is $1989. I hope you are clear about this question. And let's quickly move to the next question. And it's really important to read and compare the question with the given data in the book. Question says, G part says that the principal amount is 4,500, and then the time which is given in the question is 2 years, and the next information is the amount is given, that is $5,040, and rate is missing and interest is missing. So in order to find rate, first of all we should have the calculation for the simple interest. And when we read the data carefully, we can see that amount is given and principal is given. So interest will be calculated with the help of the formula, that amount equals to principal plus interest. And now principal amount is your amount is 5,040, and the principal is $4,500. plus I. And now what I have to do, I have to shift this 4500 to other side, and the equation will take the form 5040 minus 4500 equals to I, as we are transporting the term from one side of equation to another side, so we have to change the sign. So when I'm taking away 4500 from 5040 minus 4500, it will give me $550. I equals to, so I equals to $540. I hope you are clear about the calculation of simple interest. And now the second requirement of the question, that we have to find the rate. Again, we know that formula for the simple interest is I equals to PRT upon 100. Now instead of I have to replace 540. 540 equals to, principal is 4500, rate is unknown, time is 2 years upon 100. Okay, now shift this 100 to other side, multiplied by 100 equals to 2 multiplied by 4500 multiplied by R. Now shift this 2 multiplied by 4500 to other side to get value of R. So the equation will take the form 540 multiplied by 100 upon 2 multiplied by 4500 equals to R. Now how to simplify this? Very easy. Okay, these two zeros can go with these two zeros, and I'm left with 540 upon 2 multiplied by 45. Table of 2 is suitable for 540. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, and 2 sevens are. Now what we can do is 5 fives are 25 and 5 fours are 9 fives are 9 fives are and 9 threes are and zeros are, and 5 ones are and 5 six are. So R equals to 6. So the interest rate for this question is R equals to 6%. I hope you are clear about the working of this question. And now let me move to the last part of this question, and let me compare the data from book. Each part says that simple interest in the question is $90 and amount is 1,290 and rate is given 5%, and we have to find the principal and time. In order to get time, we should have the value of principal amount with us, which can be calculated with the help of amount and interest. Okay, so let's move to the solution. The question, and as amount equals to principal plus interest, so instead of amount, what I have to do, I have to replace 1,290 equals to principal plus interest, which is $90. Now in order to get the value of principal, we have to shift 90 to other side. Learn to make your calculation easy and faster, and you should have the command on the solution of basic simple linear equation. 1,290 minus 90 equals to principal, or it will give me 0. 9 minus 9 is 0. 1,200. So the principal amount for this question is $1,200. $1,200. I hope you are clear about the calculation of the principal amount. And now what we have to do, we have to go for the calculation of time. We know formula for the simple interest is I equals to PRT upon 100. PRT upon 100. Principal is 1,200. And we need to find the time. Amount of interest, let me check amount of interest, that is $90, and the principal is 1,200, rate is 5, and the time is unknown upon 100. Now this time let's change the mode of simplification. these two zeros can easily go with these two zeros, and I'm left with 90 equals to 12 multiplied by 5t, or 90 equals to 60t. Now what I have to do, I have to shift this 60 to other side. So t will be equal to 90 by 60 equals to t, or let me move towards this side for the completion of the calculation. T equals to 9 by 6. Table of 3 is suitable. 3 3s are and 3 2s are, and time equals to 3 by 2 years. As we can see, the numerator is larger than the denominator, so I can turn it into the mixed number. So time equals to 1 whole 1 by 2 years. I hope you are clear about today's lesson. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.